Hello everybody and welcome to explorerhop. Today we're being asked to identify key characteristics of the graph below, which happens to graph the function f of x is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 3. So this is a quadratic function and it is a parabola, and there are four key characteristics we need to identify: the x-intercepts, the y-intercept, the vertex, and the axis of symmetry. Now, the points on the graph are labeled, so we can see that the x-intercepts are x is equal to plus minus 3, and the y-intercept is y is equal to negative 9, the vertex is 0, negative 9, and the axis of symmetry is the line that the vertex is on, which would be x equals 0. However, if the points were not labeled, the way we would find the x-intercepts would be to set this entire equation, this one right here, to 0. So that would give us 0 is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 3, because when a graph is intercepting the x-axis, y is equal to 0, and so we would see that x equals plus minus 3. To find the y-intercept, we would sub in f of 0 to find what y is, and that would give us negative 9. That checks out. And the vertex would be the point at which the x-coordinate is at the axis of symmetry, which happens to be x equals 0, and we can find that by finding the midpoint between the two roots, which are negative 3 and 3. So the midpoint between that is x equals 0, as you can see, and then when we sub in x equals 0, we find the vertex, which also happens to be the y-intercept. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.